it go on?
Pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger?
It's
like I won't. You asked me to pull the trigger.
Pull it.
Pull it?
Yeah.
I can't.
Hey, look at you.
Stop it! Stop! Not my face! Not my face! Not my face! Oh, my phone! My breasts!
It's your face.
My breasts!
Hey!
Thank you.
I did not shoot you 5 times. I did not shoot you 5 times.
Blink my head 5 times.
Well, I didn't, but I didn't hit your head.
You did.
Don't lie. Don't lie. Ah! Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Yes, yes.
She ain't ready for it. She's not ready for it. Don't even try and cuff me. Don't try and cuff me. Yeah, what's up? Prank Wars. Christmas Eve edition.
It's payback time, bitch. Play? You wanna play? Let's go. Let's go. Show yourself. What's good, bro? What's good? Now you wanna shoot people while they're in the toilet. You wanna shoot people while they're in the toilet? That's what you wanna do? That's what we doing? What's wrong with you? Did you just try to aim at my face? No, it was no accident. I know I hit the gun. Let's put our guns down now. Drop it. You put it down. You want to shoot me out of the toilet when I'm unarmed? Michael, don't you do it. I'm not playing. Michael, think about it. You sleep tonight, your mouth open.